You've been stuck in your home for a couple weeks now with the whole entire family home, and you're starting to see that this is not your ideal home anymore. So what do you do to get your house ready to sell? That's a great question, and that's exactly what we're going to go over in this video. We're going to talk about how to prepare your house to sell for the most amount of money in the fastest time possible. To begin, we are going to go over the 4 main components of selling a house. So the first up is market conditions. This is the interest rates, what's going on in the world, what's going on in our country, what's going on in our state, and what's going on in our city. What's going on with interest rates, employment levels, and how's the buyer confidence level? Are people out there actually buying houses? So we take all of that into account, and that is how we start off the baseline for pricing. Now, market conditions, that is something me and you cannot control. So we're not going to even concentrate on that. We're not going to worry about it because we can't control it. We are just going to be aware of it. So we price the property and market and present it to fit in what's going on in the market conditions. So second up is price. So the asking price of your house is the second main component of selling a house. Typically, homes sell for the most amount of money the first 30 days they are on the market. So we are going to take advantage of that and price it correctly to get it sold within 30 days. The third main component of selling your house is marketing. This is the promotion. Do all the potential buyers in your area know that your house is for sale, and are they aware that this is their dream home? That is exactly what marketing does. It puts your house out so all the buyers know that it's available for sale, what it looks like, what you're asking for it, and being able to see it and put an offer in. The fourth and last main component of selling your house is the condition. This is the condition of your home. What does the house look like? What does it smell like? What does it feel like? If the condition of your house is not model perfect, TV, Property Brothers, House Hunters, Love It or List It, Fixer Upper perfect, then you're gonna have to adjust the price to where the market will meet you and give you top dollar for the condition that it is in. Now, if your house is in a really good condition, it will sell quickly. Houses sell so fast when they're in great condition. People like to move into a home that it's ready for them to just put their stuff in and live. Now that we know and understand the 4 main components of selling a house, we see that condition is something that we can easily work on to make sure that we get the right price for your property that you want. The goal of this video is to go over what you personally can do right now while we're all in stay-home order to prepare your house to sell in the fastest amount of time with the least amount of hassle. Now, we're not going to go deep into remodeling, upgrading. No, what we're going to go over is how can you take what you already have and just make a few minor changes, such as move some furniture around or just do some touch-ups here and there wherever needed to get your house looking its best. It's kind of like putting on some makeup. There's been massive research done on what causes homes to sell quick and for top dollar. And in the Kansas City marketplace, what it comes up time and time again is good looking homes that are functioning, everything's operating, they sell fast and for top dollar. Our goal here is what can you do, what step-by-step plan, what checklist can you follow to get it showing at its absolute best. Buyers often make purchases on emotions. So your goal is to present your home in a way that will give them the perception of value in your home as compared to all the other homes in your area. So your home should be the best home in your price range in your area. So it should be on the top of your price range in condition, and kind of on the bottom of the next price range. So we're kind of like in the same, so now we have two pools of buyers. We have your price range and then the price range just above yours. So those buyers can also be like, you know, yep, we're gonna go with that house because it's great and we can see our family there and it's just the perfect price for us to actually make this happen. I've attached a checklist down below to help you optimize the physical appearance of your house to increase the buyer's perception of value of your home. So check it out, click on it, and it will go step by step, room by room, how to make every single room stand out, pop, give it that size, dimensions, and just really draw in the buyer of your home to emotionally get attached to your home and put an offer in to your house. We're gonna go room by room and we're going to deep clean. We're gonna fix anything that is broken, such as drawers, and touch up some paint wherever it's missing. Sometimes I see it a lot on baseboards. And we're just gonna do these minor little touch-ups and have it ready to sell quickly and for top dollar. If this brought you value, subscribe, like this video, share, and let me know. Send me pictures, send me videos of your house, and we'll go over room by room and I'll give you my opinion of what you can do to optimize the perception of value of your house.